In this lecture, we're gonna show how to override mass properties. Sometimes it's required that some part or assembly has a specific, for example, mass. So let's go to evaluate and let's click on the mass properties. So here we have to select our assembly or part of which we want to calculate mass properties. Now we have selected assembly. So we have here mass of the assembly 200,000, 8027, volume, surface area, and center of mass. If we want to calculate mass properties of some part, just right click here, delete, and let's choose part 2. And now here we have mass properties of part 2. So we have density 0.58 and we have mass 199,792. If we want to change this mass to 100,000, we can just go here, override mass properties, and check this box, override mass. And let's put in 100,000 and OK. And now we have here mass user overridden 100,000 grams. Automatically density is changed from 0.58 to 0.29. And now if we want to calculate the mass of the assembly, let's delete this part. And now we see that mass of the assembly has decreased because of the part 2. And this is how you can override your mass properties in SOLIDWORKS.